अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू ऐश कॉन्सेप्ट्स जनरल नॉलेज सीरीज़ की चौथी वीडियो में खुशामदीद। उम्मीद करते हैं कि यह सीरीज़ आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होगी। तो नए आने वाले व्यूवर्स चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। लेट्स स्टार्ट द जर्नी। द कैपिटल ऑफ ताजिकिस्तान इज करेक्ट आंसर बी, दुशंबे। World Water Day is celebrated on correct answer A, 22 March. One who is capable of dealing with many subjects is called correct answer C, versatile. The Great Persian Empire was founded by correct answer C, Cyrus the Great. Which vitamin is provided by sunlight to the body? Correct answer D, vitamin D. What is Chlamydomonas? Correct answer A, an alga. The world famous Golden Gate Bridge is situated in correct answer C, San Francisco, जो कि अमेरिका में है। What is the most common salt in sea water? Correct answer C, sodium chloride. The organ in the body which accumulates iodine in correct answer B, thyroid gland. Who invented chronometer? Correct answer A, John Harrison. Britain's highest military award is correct answer B, Victoria Cross, जबकि पाकिस्तान आर्मी का हाईएस्ट मिलिट्री अवार्ड निशान हैदर है। The book A Farewell to Arms was written by correct answer A, Ernest Hemingway. The oldest monarchy in the world is that of correct answer D, Japan. monarchy का मतलब है बादशाही निज़ाम। Which of the following gases is used for refrigeration? Correct answer B, ammonia. Philology is correct answer D, scientific study of literary text, जबकि स्टडी ऑफ बोन्स को ऑस्टियोलॉजी कहते हैं, स्टडी ऑफ मसल्स को मायोलॉजी कहते हैं। द फर्स्ट सैटेलाइट वाज लॉन्च्ड बाय करेक्ट आंसर बी, USSR. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ केमिकल रिएक्शन? Correct answer B, conversion of water into steam. A chronometer measures correct answer B, time. The lightest particle of the matter is correct answer A, electron. Meteorology is correct answer C, science of atmosphere. Which is called key to the Mediterranean? Correct answer A, Gibraltar. Vasco da Gama was a native of correct answer B, Portugal. वास्को ड गामा एक बहरी कज़ाक था जिसने बहुत सारे बहरी रास्ते दरियाफ्त किए थे। Which country is separated from Ethiopia by the Red Sea? Correct answer D, Yemen. Income that is saved and not invested is known as correct answer B, deposit. Who was the surgeon pioneered antiseptic surgery in 1865? Correct answer B, Joseph Lister. Who invented the ballpoint pen? Correct answer D, Laszlo Biro. Blaise Pascal is associated with correct answer A, calculation machine. A metal which is liquid at room temperature is correct answer C, mercury. Study of earthquake is known as correct answer B, seismology. Oncology is the study of correct answer B, cancer. Optical fibers are mainly used for which of the following? Correct answer C. Communication. Mount Logan is the highest peak in which country? Correct answer A. Canada. The first test tube baby of the world was born in? Correct answer C. Britain. What makes a lemon sour? Correct answer B. Citric acid. Who discovered the solar system? Correct answer A. Copernicus. Which of the following is associated with Einstein? Correct answer B. Theory of relativity. Who among the following received Nobel Prize twice? Correct answer B. Marie Curie. The smallest gland in the body is? Correct answer D. Pituitary gland. जबकि बिगेस्ट ग्लैंड बॉडी का लीवर है. London is situated on the bank of river. Correct answer C. Thames. Plants during night exhale. Correct answer B. Carbon dioxide. The headquarters of OPEC countries is at? Correct answer A. Vienna. OPEC abbreviation has Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. The only Hindu state in the world is? Correct answer B. Nepal. The first astronaut who landed on the moon? Correct answer B. Neil Armstrong. जबकि सेकंड एस्ट्रोनॉट बोज एल्ड्रिन है. Which Pakistani poet got Lenin Prize? Correct answer C. Faiz Ahmad Faiz. Inflation means that? Correct answer B. Rises in value. Silk is produced by? Correct answer A. Larva of silkworm. Scurvy is a disease of? Correct answer B. Skin. Who is considered the first poet of Punjabi language? Correct answer B. Baba Farid Ganshkar. Karakram Highway in Pakistan is of? Correct answer B. 804 km. The largest desert of the Pakistan is? Correct answer A. Thar. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.